Okay, exercise 5. Draw the following shape using just the line tool. Actually, this is a table and it's 36 by 24. This is the plan and this is the front elevation. The height of the table is 18 inch. Okay, 1 foot 6, and the table is 3 feet by 2 feet. Okay, so I suggest that you start from the plan. Okay, so to do the plan, I start with the first rectangle. This is the first leg of this table, 4 inch by 24 inch, 4 by 24. So let's start by a rectangle that it's 4 by 24. Click anywhere, show the direction. If you want, you can lock it to the red direction. For example, type 4, enter. Now I zoom a little bit so I can see better. Next step, make sure you lock your direction to the green direction by clicking on left key. So this one is 24, enter. Now I have these two line. I don't need to enter any more value. What I can do, I can lock my direction to the red, place my cursor at the end of this line, and click. SketchUp match the same length. I'm still in line command. I place my cursor here, endpoint, and click. So my first rectangle is done. Let's see what's next. The next rectangle is 2 feet 4 by 2 feet. 2 feet 4 is 28 inch and 2 feet is 24 inch. So I go back to SketchUp. I start from this corner. So this side is 24, this one. So I have to go this way, 28 or 2 feet 4. I prefer to put 28, enter. Now make sure that you lock your cursor to the green direction, okay? Then show this corner and click once. So this one is done. You place your cursor there and click again, so you have your rectangle. The last one is the second leg, 4 inch by 24. I'll go back to SketchUp. So start from here. Make sure you're in the right direction. In this case is red, 4, enter. Then you can, bring your mouse down. When you see the red dots, you can click. If you are not sure, the safe way is always lock. So I lock it to the green direction, place my cursor here and click. I'm in the line, still line command. I place my cursor then and click for the last time. So I have my plan ready. I go back here and I look at the elevation. The height of the table is 1 foot 6 or 18 inches. The height of each leg is 1 foot 2 or 14 inches. Okay, so I start from the height of the leg. Okay, it's easier. Then I draw the height of the table. So let's go here. So here is the start point for my leg. I place it here. I lock it to the blue direction, so make sure I'm making sure that I'm not making a mistake. 14, enter. Then I lock it to the red direction by the right key. Place my cursor here at the end point here. See, click once. I have the same length line. Then I place my cursor one more time here. Click. I have the rectangle. Now I'm going to add the table height. This one is 18 inch. So I'm in blue direction. I type 18, enter. Now the length of the table is exactly the same size. So I can lock it to the red direction. place my cursor here at the end of this point, click. Now I have the same size line. Then one more time, I place the cursor here and click. So I have this side of the table. I orbit around the table. Now I have all the information that I need. I just place the cursor here, click, lock it to the blue direction, and match it with this corner. Okay, so click once to have the right line, then click for second time to finish that one. Click here, again, I lock it to the blue direction, click once to have the right length, then place it there and click for second time. Now I just have to click here to connect these 2 points together. So I have one cube there. Now I go and finish the table by clicking here at the end point, locking to the blue direction, match the height of the table. See, this is the same height. I click once, I'm still in line command, place it there for second time and click again. So this part is done. I'm moving to this direction, lock it to the blue, so match it with this one or that one, doesn't matter. So I place it there, click once and click again. Everything is done. I just have to finish this shape by click here. See, I'm adding one line from here to there. So everything is finished, just I have 2 extra lines. I don't need these 2 lines. I type E to start my erase tool, click once here and click once there, and I have my table. So when you're done, you go to File, Save As, and save it as SketchUp 2017. Change the name to exercise 5 and save it on your Google Drive and SketchUp file. Okay, after you save this one, you go again there, export 2D graphic, and this time again we go to Google Drive, find your SketchUp and make sure it's the right name, exercise 5, and JPEG is good, so you export it. Then you go to your Google Classroom and submit both of them in exercise 5.